my god, it actually works, Alex.
Yeah. I was looking at the last one, it showed like 7 cop cars all around the house.
Really?
Yeah, but they'd already all in there, so they didn't say anything.
What? Is it really sturdy?
Yeah.
Are you okay? Alex, honestly, like, if you don't think you can do it, don't do it. I don't want you to hurt yourself. Don't hurt yourself. Really?
This thing's semi-sturdy too, and I can step on that to get down.
Perfect.
You gonna try?
No.
I didn't think so. Okay, well, fun's over. I'm gonna come down now.
Okay. Be careful.
Oh, fuck.
It's okay, you got it.
No.
You got it. You're almost there. You're almost there, Alex. You're almost. You're touching it. You're touching it. You got it.
Oh my god. Serious.
I've never seen something like that before. Are you okay? Do you feel like you're gonna puke?
Have a good night.
Any police activity?
Nope. Not towards Glendale.